Today's, this is Paul with WWW.WettTraderLLC.com. Today's January 11th, actually. It's about 7:10 p.m. Been having a few technical difficulties, but we're back in the saddle again, I believe. Just want to do a little mid-cap forecast for the week. I know it's a little late in the week, but I'm going to show you what I think is going on. Obviously, you guys saw my last week forecast where I projected this low down here. This is clearly 1, 2, 3. We should get some kind of 4 up in this area here. Then 5 to another new low. Let me see where we think about a possibility where this baby might be popping up to some resistance. This is going to be support. This is the support we hit. I set these numbers up when I enlarge them when we hit them. So these are the support we're holding right now. But the next support we have is 59.06. We do have one at 80.88. I just think if we go below the 93, 59.06 is not unreasonable. 59.06 I don't think is going to be unreasonable. If you take a look, and I don't think I can show you. Let me see if I can pull it up here on the. If you see a weekly chart real quick, I can show you what's going on here. We have a far way to get support here. Far away. Our weekly support for this market is far, far away. See, we're way down here. I'll show you the monthly. This is the weekly chart. Let me pull up the actual monthly chart is the one I wanted to show you. Let me see if I can get some data here. This here's that low that we were talking about. This was not going to have a lot of data. I got one more place we can try to get some good data. What we want to do is we want to see what's going on in the overall. Here we go. This is what's going to show you guys what's going on. See, this is going to be either an ABC. This is a fifth wave. Obviously, you see this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a high probability of the time we do this. We come out with a little triangle. Now, if you take my numbers and you go with this high here at 34, this high here is at 10, that's 24 points. Take this low, you add 24, you're going to be at 55. So it's also going to be 1, 2, 3, and we could come a little bit lower for my ABC. So we're either gonna stop right there at that, and we also got that 4-day moving average. Now, if you left click on here, see it's 1844, but every month it's clicking up. It's clicking up. It's clicking up. 15 ticks. So that's where I think our support's going to be, right in that area. If you look at the monthly data, you know, we penetrated this 1950. So that's not going to offer any support anymore. But what I'm looking at is the weekly support areas. So we have some weekly support areas that are going to be pretty relevant. 1867, there's the one I'm looking for. That's going to be my S1. So this S1 here, this is the area. Now the PP is 1955. This is going to be my first level of resistance. We already went to 29, which was yesterday's almost R1. Actually, it was yesterday's BP, which was 29. So now with that close at 12, we got, this is called a breakout. See, breakout. Reason why I say breakout is because if my close matches my PP, you have a higher probability of breaking out of the range. So it's either this range going to break out, possibly here, Oh, wow, 47. Interesting. See, when you get a 47, matching a 55, you're plus or minus 8. Hits the PP 90% of the time, folks. 90% of the time, it will hit this PP in this time frame. So if I'm on the weekly chart, it'll hit this PP 90% of the time. Look through the data. It happens. Same thing with the daily. It hit the PP. Sure, sometimes when the market's really strong, it go plus or minus 4 or 5 points, but still it hits it. So if you want any more of these quick tips, make some money, www.WettTraderLLC.com. Like me on Facebook. Get a free demo. Ask me some questions. Let's make some money.